Okay, so tip number one is to use prompts. The whole thing with journaling is it helps you to tap into your subconscious mind. That's how you unlock these new truths about yourself and get to the deeper roots of problems. You get into this flow state where you're writing consciously, and then before you know it, you've tapped into your subconscious mind and all these things are coming up that you never knew were there, and that's the important stuff. So prompts help you to get into that flow state and tap into the subconscious. So prompts would be things like, for example, if you have low self-worth and you're trying to work on that and figure out what exactly it is you don't like, where this low self-worth comes from in the first place, you could use a prompt like, why am I not good enough? Or I am not good enough because ... and then you free flow from there. You start writing. It's going to feel conscious to begin with, but eventually once you start writing more and you get into the flow of it, things are just going to start coming and you're just going to be writing without thinking, and that's where the real good stuff is. So it sounds like a weird kind of negative prompt to use, but when you're trying to tap into the root cause of this, you need to know where it's come from. You need to know what exactly it is about yourself that you don't like, and that's how you access this stuff. Why am I not good enough ... and fill in the blanks. Another example of a prompt would be, say you're working on something specific that happened to you, a certain situation. You could say, this made me feel ... or this made me think, and then you free flow and you journal from there. And a deeper one further on from that would be, I think I felt this way because, or I think I had these thoughts because ... and then you fill in the blanks. So again, it will start to feel conscious to begin with. You're going to be thinking like, why did I feel that way? Why did I think that way? But before you know it, over time, you're going to start just writing and getting into the flow of things, and before you know it, you'll be writing pages and pages without even thinking about it. And that's where the stuff from your subconscious mind will come up, and you'll discover, wow, that's really why I felt that way, and that's why I thought this way about this, and that's why I don't like myself. And these real deep truths will come up, which then allows you to work on them, and that's where the real progress is made.